Hi there, Tim Power. Welcome to our house. We've just completed our renovation with QBS. With our growing family, we decided we needed a bit more room, a bit more fun for the kids. We put in a swimming pool, so just a bit more outdoor playtime really. For the design process, we contracted a Studio 2 architect, Paul Clark in particular, who are particularly good and it's very easy to work with. Based on quote and reputation, we decided to complete our build with QBS. The working relationship with QBS was very good. Theo, our site foreman, was always on hand. I popped in regularly and he gave me tours, gave me regular updates. Any problems, he was on to me as quickly as possible. Building during a pandemic had its own problems. The initial start date was delayed by several months. We were due to start just as the first COVID lockdown occurred. So what should have been a shorter build turned out to extend a bit longer than expected. I think the living room is my favourite space in the house. Initially we were supposed to keep the flat ceiling, but when the renovation was underway, we took the opportunity to go for the raked elevated ceiling you can see behind me. I'd recommend QBS to anyone considering a build. As I said, they were very helpful, informative, kept us up to date with any problems with the build or questions that needed answering, upfront with pricing, quotations, things like that. I was very happy with the build in general.